Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with Erica. So today I will be preparing crispy bread rolls, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let's get started. So to prepare bread rolls, we would be needing white bread, finely chopped coriander leaves, finely chopped green chilies and finely chopped red onions, and boiled and mashed potatoes, salt, turmeric powder, along with that red chili powder. So at first we will be preparing the filling for the bread rolls. For that I took a pan. Into that I will be putting some oil, along with that some finely chopped red onions, and I'm going to cook the onions till it turns translucent in color. So after frying the onions, I'm going to add some finely chopped green chilies, and I'm going to fry along with the onions. So after frying the onions well, I'm going to put boiled and mashed potato and cook the potato along with the chilies and the onions very well. So after this I will start adding the spices into it. First I will be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. After that I will mix all the ingredients together. After that I will add finely chopped coriander leaves and salt as per the taste, and then I'm going to cook all the ingredients together very well. So now as you can see, our filling for the bread rolls are ready. After this I will be taking a bowl. Into that I will be putting some water for the bread to soak in. So guys, it's the most important and crucial step of the recipe, because this is the step which will make your bread rolls come out very crispy. As you can see in the video that I have taken a slice of white bread and I have lightly put in the water both the sides, and then I'm going to press it with my palm very hard as you can, because in this step you have to drain as much as water as possible, because you don't want your bread rolls to turn out to be soggy. So it's very important to drain as much as water as you can with the help of your palm and pressing it down. And after that I'm going to put some filling inside it and press it very well. So as you can see that with the help of both my palms, I'm pressing the bread roll very well from all the side and trying to make it into a oval shape, and it's very important to press it well and seal all the sides, otherwise the filling is going to come out and the bread rolls can break while we are frying. So it's very important that we press it very well so that it get into a proper shape. So likewise I have prepared other bread rolls as well. So guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel with Erica, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. It will notify you each time I upload any new video. And now the bread rolls are ready for frying. So into a clean pan I put some oil for deep frying. So as you can see, I have put 2 bread rolls into it one by one, and then I have started frying till it turns golden brown in color from all the sides. So guys, there is one more important steps before frying the bread rolls, that is to make it dry for some time so that the water that dries out from the shell of the bread, so that when you deep fry it turns out to be very crispy. So likewise I have prepared all the batches of bread rolls. So now it's ready and ready to be served. So guys, thank you for watching.